Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something that I have never done before. I am making a surprise video. That's right, it is my girlfriend Justine's birthday and I wanted to surprise her with some beautiful flowers. Her and I send each other flowers all the time and I was thinking, I don't want to just send her a bouquet. I want to send her like 100 bouquets. And so a big thank you to FTD Flowers for sponsoring this video. They teamed up with me and made this whole thing possible, because otherwise I would just send her a bouquet. But today we are sending Justine 100 bouquets of flowers to her house. I've never done this. I am just so excited that FTD Flowers reached out because they are actually genuinely in real life the flower company that I use. I have been using them for years and I don't want to blow up one of my girlfriends, but she just got out of the hospital and I sent her flowers a couple weeks ago and I use them. I just really love them. I like their bouquets. I like their flowers. I like that they hand deliver them and they do them in time frames. Like if you need to get flowers fast, they get it done. And I just really like that. They've been reliable for me for years. So when they reached out to work together, I was like, are you kidding? I just used you last week. And if you guys are interested in ordering some flowers, I will put a link down below for 20% off your next bouquet, which is pretty good. Now, without further ado, let's order some flowers. Let's surprise Justine. I just ordered them online. So we go to the website, which is ftd.com, and I want birthday flowers. So I'm gonna click on birthday, and then I'm just gonna scroll down and see what they've got. I'm looking for pink. Ooh, okay. I like these two. I found two that I like. I like the one called Sweet and Pretty and You're Precious. I'm gonna order 50 Sweet and Pretties and 50 You're Precious. Oh my gosh, Justine's mind is gonna be blown. Ordered. Oh my gosh. All the flowers have been ordered. I am so excited. I'm kind of freaking out. I have never done a surprise this big, and I've never made a surprise video, which in my opinion, surprise videos are way better than prank videos because these are nice. Prank videos are surprises, but they aren't always nice surprises. I told Justine that I'm gonna come over for her birthday and I'm gonna make her a cake. So I'm gonna go get all my ingredients together and start brainstorming a really yummy cake. And I actually am making her a cake. I am bringing her a cake, but what she doesn't know is that thousands of flowers are gonna be, oh, I'm so sorry, Henry. Henry's sleeping right here. This is my sister's dog. He blends in with this pillow. He's like, day 26, they still think I'm a pillow. Sorry, Nini. So, all right, I'm gonna go start on the cake. I'm thinking pineapple. So today is the day that I'm surprising Justine for her birthday, and not only am I surprising her with a bunch of flowers, but I woke up early to make her a pineapple cake. So this is a homemade, from scratch pineapple cake with a little bit of buttercream frosting and coconut flavoring. And it's fancy because even though it's a sweet, it's a clean sweet. It's all organic. And even to decorate, I chop slices, thin slices of pineapple, and I slow bake them. So look at this, they look kind of like flowers, but totally edible. We're gonna place them on top and be little pineapple flowers. And then over here, I had to go to the store and I grabbed a few fresh pineapple because I chopped up all these and then they didn't look right. So what you do, look at this, to garnish, you can just pull out the pineapple crown, the leaves.
Came right out of there.
Yeah, I know, and then I've been washing them and drying them. I don't want them to be wet on the cake, and I'm gonna use them to decorate, just to look a little tropical. Justine likes to go to Hawaii just as much as I do, so I think she's gonna love this cake. I've spent too much time making this cake. Now I'm actually in a little bit of a hurry. You can hear Blueberry. She's like, let's go for a car ride. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of coconut flakes on top. If she doesn't love the coconut, she can just brush it off. Oh, should I do a border on the bottom with coconut? Oh, I don't know. Let's do the flowers first. I'm gonna put some little leaves in there, like that. Does that look nice?
Yeah, that's really fun.
Okay, this is really cute. I was gonna add all of these, but I think it looks good, a little bit minimal, like it looks really rustic.
I would love getting this cake for my birthday.
This is one of my favorite cakes I've ever made. I used to go like tons of color, but this is a clean cake. I got this cake traveler too, because I usually don't deliver cakes. I usually, when I'm making baked goods, I'll have a party here at the house. So it isn't often that they get to travel.
Handmade and hand delivered by Ro.
Hi, it's Rose Baking and Delivery Service. Oh yeah, can I order a cake? No, we can only do 1 cake a week, so it's very VIP service, Mike.
Yeah. And lock
Oh
them in
no,
there.
it squished the flowers!
Ah!
Oh no, does it squish them? Mike, it kind of squishes them! What do I do? Oh no, what do I do?
Maybe we...
We'll just squish them, she'll never know. I wonder if bakers ever say stuff like that.
Oh, definitely.
You think so? Beautiful. Now we gotta jump in the car. I need Blueberry. Blueberry! Blueberry muffin! Okay. Blueberry, do you wanna go for a ride? You wanna go for a car ride? Wanna go for a ride? Oh, good girl. Okay. Oh God, this cake is moving around. Okay, we're at Justine's. Justine! I'm here! I bring cake and puppies! Come on, Blueberry! Come on! Come on, come on, come on! Who's here? Go, 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 go!
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh my... Hi, Maggie! Hi, sweetie! Hi, sweetie!
How are you?
Hi,
Good to see
beautiful!
you.
Happy birthday!
Oh, thank
I
you.
bring homemade cake surprise.
Oh my gosh.
It's pineapple flavored. I actually want a slice.
Wait, me too.
I like that I make it for you, but then I want a slice.
Rose here for like 0.5 seconds. You're like, let's eat the cake now.
Let's eat.
I heard cake.
Jenna! Hey!
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
It's pineapple cake, and then I put a little bit of coconut flavoring and the vanilla buttercream and a little coconut, and then I made these.
This is really cool.
Gosh, I haven't done anything productive today.
Justine, I'm gonna hang out because I have one more surprise for you today.
Oh.
Not just this cake, but just like a little surprise.
Do you want to do the cutting honors?
Are you sure? For your birthday?
Yeah, I mean, usually I'm the one with the knife. This looks so good.
I just went for it.
This looks really amazing. This is basically going to be lunch because
I didn't have one.
I didn't either. We're having it
I'm
now.
so hungry. I couldn't figure it out. Whoa, look at all that moisture. That's what I'm talking about.
That's very pineapple-y.
I'm not gonna be serving you no dry
That
cake.
looks so good. Oh my
Wow. Wow.
Oh. Mmm.
So Justine, happy birthday.
Thank you.
And how was Hawaii? Blueberry Muffin really wants to know.
Oh my gosh, it
She's
was so
never
much
been.
fun. It's just so hard to get dogs to Hawaii. I think that they would love Hawaii so much.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that sand. You go running to the
Beaches, babes, surfboards,
beach. Daddy,
shave
love
ice,
babes.
everything.
I didn't even get shave ice this trip. I just realized. I know. That's a crime.
Did you do any horseback riding or anything?
No.
Oh, this is your surprise.
Hey, Molly.
This is your surprise. So, Molly's on
Okay,
it.
cool. I'll go check in on them. Cool, I think the surprise is here.
Oh my
The
goodness.
surprise is here. It's just a little something.
Okay.
Yeah, I just thought because I'm here, I'll just hang out till it gets here. It's
Okay.
Just a little
Should I hold on to
something.
Maddie? Is he gonna like? Is it?
Yeah, you can hold on
Okay.
to him or let him free or whatever.
Oh.
Justine,
my
I just got you some flowers.
Those are so pretty.
Surprise! Because we always send each other flowers, so I thought I'd get you
That's
some.
massive.
Yeah, there's a few in there, huh?
Oh my gosh, this is huge.
Do you like them? I did a lot of pink because I know you like pink.
It is my favorite color. Oh my god, these are so pretty. This takes up my whole entire like center console here.
It's almost as big as that really cool succulent bowl you got me.
Wait a minute.
Uh-huh.
Bro.
Aha!
Okay, now this is really
It's just a few. Oh my gosh, Jenna, look what we got here. We got some birthday flowers.
They're even in, oh my, wait, these are all separate.
Yes, I got a few.
What are you doing? Bro, there's more.
Just a few.
You need a bigger kitchen. Oh my gosh, I need to, do I call someone to expand my kitchen?
Yeah.
This counter, these are so pretty. Bro, what are you doing right now? What is that?
Oh, I love it. We need to make room. Let me move my beverages.
Wait, what? We need to make room. Wait, does that mean there's more coming? What are you making room for? Are we opening up a factory? Oh my! Oh What has your mommy done, Blueberry?
Oh, just being a little bit ridiculous.
No, this is actually insane. Oh
Bro,
my
these are literally taller than you. I can't even see that.
There's more. But Ro, this would have been just perfect.
I know, I went a little extra this year.
Like no one's ever gonna get me flowers again. Like remember that time that Ro bought you a whole nursery?
Now I got to think about counter space.
Oh, they're still coming.
I just thought about the surprise. I didn't think about the logistics of it here. We'll figure it out.
Wait a minute, I didn't get you anything for your birthday yet. I can't top this ever. I can't top this.
Just say this is from us.
No,
obviously. It's
okay,
from
but wait,
us.
I can't take this credit. Wait, Ro, there are still more.
How many?
I don't know. How many did you order?
I ordered a lot. I ordered a lot.
This is honestly the craziest thing I've ever seen.
Oh my God.
I don't have a place to live. Where do I go? No. What am I gonna get you for your birthday?
Wait, hold on. Probably not.
I've been preparing my whole life for this.
Oh my gosh, Justine, look at you. Whoa.
More.
Is it? Oh,
No.
wow. Okay, let's do these.
I'll just cover up the coffee.
I know, this is
What?
lovely. And ta-da! Here is your birthday present, Justine. All the flowers finally arrived. We got them all set up over here.
This is so amazing. Like I don't think I've ever experienced anything like this, and I don't think I ever will again because this is so impressive.
Yes,
Thank
just wait till
you.
next year.
No, you're not.
Yes.
You're done. So how many are here?
This is 100 vases.
Okay, you're
100 bouquets.
I think you're set for the rest of my birthdays.
I don't know how many
Forever.
flowers that is. How many flowers is in a vase? Oh, okay.
7, 8, 9, like 30. So there's about 3,000 flowers here.
Whoa.
Hey,
Whoa.
Blueberry, what are you doing?
Blueberry
looking for
muffin.
No!
No.
Blueberry, your body is trim, but not that trim.
Girl, that was a close call.
Wow.
Well, happy birthday, Justine.
Thank you.
You are the best. She is the best. Go check her out. I'm putting all of her links down below. I want to do something really special and really big this year, and this was so much fun.
This is
Do
amazing.
you want to take a photo?
Yes!
I want to crowd surf in these. I know that's so weird, but I like want to jump in them, but
You
I know we
probably
can't.
shouldn't do that.
But they weren't in vases. They were just like a
Yeah.
big mosh pit of flowers. We could jump in them.
This is also a glass table.
Oh.
Not a good idea.
Not
do
good
it.
for mosh pitting.
Let's do a photo shoot.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Blueberry muffin! You're playing fair! You're a daredevil! We did it, Blueberry Muffin! The flower birthday surprise was a big success. I'm so excited. She was so happy. It made her smile. Probably the biggest smile I've ever seen on Justine's face. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you like watching these surprise videos or if you have any other ideas, let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. A big thank you to FTD Flowers for sponsoring this video and making this all possible. This was so much fun, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Also, my first surprise video. I've never done a big surprise video like this before, and it just really made my heart happy. Honestly, I've been through a lot this year, and being able to show my friends and family that I love them and care about them in these silly, fun ways, it just means a lot to me. Blueberry is ready for a nap. All right, thanks again. Bye, you guys. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here or up here. She just went dead weight on me. I'm just holding 20 pounds of dog in one arm right now. Whew. All right, come on, let's go to bed. Come on, you did good today, Blueberry.